good work tips when doing ladders. If they're a long ladder, I like to make it up with the soffit on first, just because it's easier for reach purpose and flexibility. If they're short like this, what I tend to do is level up on the brickwork up to my ridge, and then I cut it on the inside of the brick. That way, the weight of the gable, that will take the ridge. On the top section, what I like to do is, I like to leave the ridge following through, because it's easier for me to level up from the brickwork, measure out my thickness of my soffit, fix it here, and I can adjust the rafters back to it. It's a lot accurate and it's a lot neater. But what I tend to do is just get an offcut with my pitch on, and I'll hold it up to the ridge like so, and I'll follow the line, bottom of the line of the rafter through to the other side, square it across and cut it. That way, when I run my soffit up, it will miss the cut of the ridge that I've got. Good work tip.